Well, hello everybody. It's raining over here. Don't know if you'll be able to hear all the lightning and thunder, but it is indeed raining. In today's video, I am going to do a sort of Project Pan update. Though, if I'm being honest, I haven't been wearing makeup. The last time I wore makeup was maybe a week or two ago. And I haven't worn makeup often since my last video. So, it's been a couple months. I haven't gotten anywhere. I'm doing terrible. Basically, it's update. Okay, we're done. You guys can leave the video now. I am still trying to get through this Awake moisturizer. And I literally am only using it under makeup because this has dimethicone in it. So, it's not a moisturizer I'd want to use on a daily basis kind of thing. So, this will be my primer. So that hasn't changed because I haven't, done my makeup often. But I think after this month, I'm gonna change up what I'm using again. I got my hair cut. Got my bangs back. I cut them shorter this time, so it will take them longer to grow out. So that's that. For my foundation, it was still the Smashbox. I don't know if you'd be able to tell on camera, but it's like a little less. It's about halfway still. But after this month, I think I'm gonna throw it out because I think this was like 24 months for it to last, and I'm pretty sure I bought this about 2 years ago. I think if I checked, it was this month or last month. But this, I'm probably going to get rid of after this month, even if I don't finish it. I mean, I've gotten some of the way through it, I guess you could say. But yeah, how have you guys been doing? Good? I know a lot is happening in the world right now with the pandemic, Black Lives Matter, ICE. People are keeping in those camps is horrible. In the description box, I'm going to just list some resources and authors and podcasts that I found through this year that I've been enjoying a lot. But yeah, I'll list some things down in the description box for y'all to check out. And I'll even list stuff that I haven't looked at myself, but I am going to. Always continue learning. I changed the concealer that I was supposed to do Project Pan on. I gave it away to my mother because I didn't like it. That Flower Beauty concealer was not doing it for me. So I'm starting to use the Fenty. It's a smidge too light for me, surprisingly. But if you like the brightening effect, it's quite nice for going out and whatnot. I do really bad with talking and doing my makeup at the same time. I probably should have just done a voiceover. The only thing with that is I suck at doing voiceovers because I'll record the video and then I won't finish the video for like 2 weeks after it's been recorded, which happened with my last video. I had recorded a video right after my last video. I just never edited it. It's just been sitting in Final Cut and I haven't touched it. And at this point, I'm just gonna trash it and not edit it at all. And honestly, I feel a bit ridiculous talking to myself to a camera since I haven't done it in so long. You get used to it if you're doing it more consistently. Dang it, I forgot to use my own natural color corrector under my eyes. I'm trying to use this up too. I still have this much. I don't feel like I've gone through any of it, but I usually use it every time. Still using my Marc bronzer. I'm gonna bronze up in my face. I'm also gonna use it as eyeshadow as my transition shade. I just feel really off. This year has not been a great year, guys. And I'm still not working. Because I don't think my job has opened back up yet. I think they opened for a little bit and then they closed again. So right when I was supposed to go back, haven't heard anything since. Haven't received any notifications for work schedules, nothing. Which I was getting previously, and nope. I feel like they closed up again because Florida cases have been on the rise again. So I feel like they closed. I'm gonna need to figure out what I'm gonna do. And just applying my Dose of Colors highlighter, the Desi times Katie. X Katie, why do I say times? That's not how you say it, right? The Desi Katie collab. But yeah, just applying this liberally. As with the powder products, I don't feel like I'm gonna get through those anytime soon, but I'm gonna keep those on rotation, you know? Just to make sure I'm using the stuff that I have in my makeup collection. I've also decluttered some. Like, I went through my eyeshadows and I just gave them to my friends. If they were willing to take it, you know, I can, what's the word I'm looking for? But you know, you use alcohol. To what, Liz Marie? We use alcohol to do what? To basically clean it? That's not the word. I can't think of it. We're gonna move on. But I think you get what I mean. Use alcohol. Sanitize? Maybe that is it. I think I'm putting on way too much highlight. But it's okay. I'm not going anywhere. I'm wearing this makeup indoors. And it's raining. I don't like going out when it's raining. So that's Layla. I've been trying really hard not to buy a lot of new makeup, but I did buy some from Range Beauty, which is a woman Black-owned business. So I'm excited to try that when that comes in. I lost my train of thought. This video is already all over the place. But I'm gonna apply blush now. Still using this Anastasia blush palette thing. And I'm gonna go with this light pink. I might have picked up too much. And I'm just going to blend and merge it with my highlight and bronzer. I love a good blush. But I think lately I've been more into cream blushes. Maybe my next project pan rotation, I will use more cream products. Like I have my Ritual Defeat blush. Well, the cream pigment. Why do I always end up saying pigments? I can't talk. Pigments. I have a cream bronzer from Savannah Essentials, so I could probably bring that one out. Cream highlight, you've definitely got that. I have cream blush from several brands, highlights, the whole shebang. So I'll probably try cream project pan next. What am I doing next? I haven't done makeup in so long. I'm like, what's next in my beauty routine? Gonna go back with the Marc Jacobs bronzer and use that in my crease. Just blending out those creases that formed. But yeah, this is gonna be my transition shade. And I hear my doggy at the door sniffing. She probably wants to come in. I'll probably go get her. Unless she walks away. I think she might have walked away. That's for the crease. And I'm gonna break out this Pacifica Love Stoned eyeshadow palette that a friend gave me. Didn't buy it. I'm trying not to buy too much. I have hot stuff though. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I'm gonna go in. And I think I'm going to use these 3 shades on her. The burgundy shimmer, and this purple. Purple will be my second transition shade. Maybe I should just do simple and just do 2 eyeshadows. What do you guys think? Don't want to do anything too fancy since I'm not actually going anywhere. I'm actually really happy I cut my hair because I feel like my curls are bouncier now. My hair got so long it didn't want to curl anymore. But it also could be the hair products I was using, which I'm still on the hunt for the perfect product that I like in my hair, because I haven't found one that I'm like in love with. Yeah, I'm taking this purple shade into my crease, blending it with that bronzer. What's the shade called? Amethyst. That makes sense, because you know amethysts are purple. And I have been learning a lot about crystals lately, which is fantabulous. Never knew all the things about crystals. I used to be really into them as a kid and collect them. But as I got older, I didn't. I still have like some crystals that I got as a kid, but never got rid of them for some reason. I have to be more mindful when I'm doing these videos because I feel like half the time I block what I'm doing. You guys can't actually see. I'm not technically doing a makeup tutorial right now. I'm just doing a Project Pan life update kind of video. Okay, taking my favorite utensil, my finger. I'm gonna take that shimmery shade. I didn't tell you what that last color I used was Garnet, Great Crystal, and Pink Sapphire. It's the shimmer shade that I just picked up. Ooh la la, me gusta, me gusta. Simple eye is sometimes the best. I feel like I never actually do complicated eye looks. Maybe I should try. I've been thinking about, I've seen plenty of YouTubers, beauty gurus do this, but they try to recreate a makeup artist look. And maybe I will try that, because I have seen some makeup looks that I save on Instagram that I like a lot. I'm gonna take this, I think it's a shader brush. Yeah, I'm gonna take it to use on my lower lash line. And I think I'm gonna take Amethyst first, which was the light purple. And then after I'm done blending all that, I'm obviously gonna go in with Garnet. I mean, I don't know if that was obvious. To me, it was obvious because my eye looks all look the same. And then I'm gonna take a pencil brush with a little bit of Garnet and blend it on the outer bit of my lower lash line. Kind of wish I had eyeliner. I never use it though. I kind of wish I had some. Oh wait, I do. I have my friend got me some purple ColourPop eyeliners. I might go get the dark purple one and put that on my waterline. Oh, I just messed up my eyeshadow. Yuck. I never said I was a professional, because I'm definitely not, but I think you guys knew that already. And I'm going to take this highlighter again, my pinky, and use it as my inner corner highlight. I always like to use the highlight I'm using as my inner corner highlight. Especially since sometimes an eyeshadow palette might not have a light enough shade, in my opinion, to be an eyelid. I mean, this isn't necessarily the brightest either, because I feel like this highlighter works better on medium to deep skin tones, and I'm quite fair, but I still use it anyways, because I bought it. I mean, I could always give it away, but I don't want to. Hold that thought, I'm gonna go get that purple eyeliner. Hi guys, this is Sage. She's the one that's been bugging me at the door. I'm gonna just set her on my lap. There. Because she's a spoiled little pup and loves being on my lap. I'm gonna take this ColourPop purple pencil and attempt. I'm just gonna do this off camera because I can't. I wish I had like a taller mirror so I could just have it here and then just look at it and then use like both my hands, but I can't. So I'll be right back. I haven't used eyeliner in so long, I feel like I can't even do that either. It's like, oh, I try. Mascara and brows. Before I do mascara, I use I'm almost done with this bottle, but that is the Flower Beauty Hydrating Spray, I think. The nozzle broke on the original packaging, so then I tried to put it in this old bottle that I had when I finished this Lily Lolo makeup mist, but the nozzle's messing up on that one too, but it's almost done. I'm almost through that, and then I'm debating buying another makeup mist. I don't know which one to buy. If you guys have suggestions of a really good makeup mist, let me know. I'm gonna apply mascara from Pacifica, but I'm thinking this one's drying out, so I could crack out another mascara to use. Am I the only one that never sees a really huge difference with mascaras? I never know if I have a good mascara or not, because I feel like it's not doing a whole heck of a lot for my lashes. Because I don't know, they just darken my lashes, because like the tips of my lashes are like blondish and really light. So when I add mascara, I feel like it just shows their true length but not like actually do anything drastic. I would like a mascara that did something drastic for me. Yes, I would. Oh, I just realized I forgot to do my brow bone highlight. Well, actually, I think I already highlighted it. Yeah, I did highlight it when I originally did the highlighter. You know, I'm just gonna add some more. Too much highlighter never hurt nobody. At least not to my recollection. I'm going to use this I Have Horus pencil and do my brows. I also ran out of my Glossier Boy Brow, and I'm debating buying a new one or just trying a different brand. I wonder if you guys could hear the air conditioning because it just shut off, and then I realized how loud it was because I'm like right next to it. If you hear any other noises, I'm sorry. Nothing I can do. I'm not gonna tell people to be like, hey, stop it. Don't live your life. Last step, lipstick. I am deciding that I'm going to keep all these matte lipsticks I bought on rotation because I need to use them more. You guys, do any of you guys recognize this color from Melt? Before they discontinued it, it's so old, but I'm keeping it anyways. I think I might use this one, but I might need to put a gloss. It's called Nude. The only problem with these nudes is that they definitely, since they're so pale, they settle into my lines in a not so flattering way. Yes, I restarted it, it stopped. That was my boyfriend. This one's a little too pale for me too, and I wish I had a lip liner, but I never buy myself liner. So, I would love recommendations on that as well. Another highlighter, lip liner, a nude lip liner. Gloss. I'm gonna get a gloss. And that will complete this look. I'm gonna try this one from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I will rock the pasty lip look for today. Well, that's it for my project pan update. Sort of update. Still using mainly the same products. The only thing kind of new was my Fenty, my base products. Look, I really want to buy a new bronzer, but this Marc Jacobs bronzer is ginormous. And I don't want to keep buying stuff and then not using it, you know? It's just so wasteful. It's wasteful. It's a waste of my money. Possibly bad for the environment because then if I don't use it, it's gonna go bad and then it just gets thrown out and it's like, why did I even bother buying this product? Maybe by the end of this year I could hit pan on something. We can both just hope, right? But I hope you guys are all doing well. And until my next video, bye-bye.